This morning, news come out all over the news media say courts just strike out Femi Falana's suit against Very Dark Man. I went to his page. He picked the caption from People's Gazette. He put them on top. He called it Celebrate. I was waiting for him to explain the judgment to people. His followers, when not understand the judgment, wanted to understand the judgment. Instead of them to come and ask me, the day my comment section, they cost me. You know, to talk about this Very Dark Man case now. You know, to talk about the Very Dark Man. Guys, you just want to know. And you want me to teach you. Stop being proud. Calm down. Because apparently your person who had the support not even know the meaning of the judgment for him to explain to you, because that's his job. He's supposed to explain it to you. So if I do the job for her now, when I go give me some more respect. The judgment said, according to the headline from People's Gazette, alleged defamation court strikes out Falana's suit against Instagram activist Very Dark Man. Now let me explain what happened to you. The case is before two courts. The Ikeja High Court. I don't know the second court. That is what I'm going to find out. I've sent a message to Files. He has not responded to me yet. So it's before the Ikeja High Court and another court. How Femi Falana filed two separate suits, I don't know, but I'm going to get that information and give to you people later. The case was going to be handled in Ikeja High Court yesterday, Tuesday. On Monday, nine Very Dark Man lawyers filed what they call stay of execution. Hold on first. Because the case is in another court. So they filed that stay of execution yesterday, on Monday, to delay the case from happening yesterday. So when they got to the Ikeja High Court yesterday, the judge now said, why not bring this case come here again when the case they on another court? Let me show you the news according to People's Gazette. He said, a human rights lawyer, Femi Falana, SAN, and his son, otherwise called Files, had filed a defamation suit against VDM. Mr. Falana filed a suit following an alleged audio recording made by a cross-dresser Idris Okuneye, also known as Bobrisky, bordering on justice perversion by Mr. Falana and his son. The claimant demanded 500 million each as damages over a video VDM posted on his social media platforms on the issue. The case was called on Tuesday, but Falana and his son and VDM were absent in court. However, counsel to the respondent Nia Lagbe, holding brief for Marvin Omorogbe, informed the court that he had earlier filed an application for stay of proceedings before Justice Femisola Aziz. Counsel to Falana's Omotayo Olatubonsu, in his response, informed the court that he received the said application on Monday about 4:15. Mr. Olatubonsu argued that the matter of the day was the preliminary objection, which he said was ripe for hearing, and that the new application was meant to prolong the matter. Mr. Olatubonsu urged the judge to proceed with the business of the day. Justice Matthias Daudu said the application in question was not in the file and wondered why he was being troubled with the case when the substantive suit was before another court. The judge subsequently struck out the suit and held that insistence on going ahead with the suit would be an academic exercise since the substantive suit was before another judge. Consequently, this suit is hereby struck out, he said. So this is a simple matter of this case on a current call give me so. He did another court. If I judge on this matter, now be say I just want to walk. So Muna go that side, go finalize this matter for that other court. Now that other court I dey try find out. Meanwhile, that's him yesterday. The stay of execution proceeding suit when he fired was happening at the Federal High Court in Abuja. Very Dark Man lose that one. You know they talk about that one now. It's just a sink for Lagos case. Let me show you the news according to Sarah reporters what happened in Abuja. The Federal High Court sitting in Abuja has struck out the preliminary objection and application for a stay of proceedings filed by Martins Otsen Vincent, aka Very Dark Man, in the ongoing legal disputes involving Nigerian musician and actor Files, whose real name is Falana and the son of senior advocate of Nigeria SAN Femi Falana. The court session held on Tuesday addressed issues that arose following VDM's initial failure to comply with the originating application, Although the application eventually became moot upon VDM's compliance, he went on to file a preliminary objection alleging multiplicity of actions. However, the court held that it had become Fulton's official on the matter as it was not properly before another court. It ruled that any further proceedings on the matter would amount to an academic exercise. Consequently, the court struck out VDM's preliminary objection. Saturday reporters learned that VDM filed an application for a stay of proceedings on Monday, April 14, 2025. The above is also applicable in the sister case between Femi Falana SAN and Martin Otse, a source told Sarah reporters. Meanwhile, Justice Matthias Dawodu, while ruling on an expert application for an order of interim and preemptive remedy brought by the Falanas, held that they had the legal right to be protected from slander. The presiding judge also ordered VDM to delete the alleged defamatory video that he made on September 24th against the SAN and his son. The influencer was also restrained by the court from further releasing, publishing, or circulating any defamatory videos and comments against the senior lawyer and his son on all online social media handles and pages pending hearing of the suit filed by the duo. So, High Court for Lagos say, Mona go the other court. This case is before another court. Federal High Court for Abuja, when Very Dark Man filed preliminary stay of proceedings, say Mona go the other High Court. Mona go the other court where this case did there. So the case has not been thrown out. The High Court in Lagos only said, pack your load, carry and go to the other court where this case did. The Federal High Court in Abuja also said, pack your load, carry and go to the other place where the case did. So that misinformation, when they misinform the audience, is totally not right. The case has not been struck out. It was only struck out in Lagos High Court. Now, I really don't care who wins or who loses. I just want a situation where things are done rightly. If you want to fight Bobrisky, fight Bobrisky. You cannot be throwing bullets around. The bullet will go touch another person's hard work, which was what he did. He was totally wrong on that matter. They told him simple, tender an apology. He said no fit. He wanted to call them for back, they apologized. That was what he was doing. He called for us for back. You cannot insult people publicly, then apologize privately. It is not done that way. Now, that apology, when no one gives, so now they can go court. But don't forget, Falana is an SAN. He has a chambers with a lot of lawyers where they find work to do. He go use them, go they fight you. Now you go they run up and down. Now you go they pay lawyers. Well, anyway, we'll not pay lawyers. He has an NGO. Nigerians go contribute the money and he can decide to be paid the lawyers from the NGO. But on this case between him and the Falanas, he is totally wrong. Nigerians, what you people do is that you choose side. Once you don't choose side of somebody, whether the person is crazy, they mad or they right, you are supporting the person. It is not done that way. I will not choose side. I will focus on the situation. That's why sometimes I will support somebody today. I will blast and tomorrow people will say, you, which side you dare? I didn't see a for comment section. I am for nobody and I'm for everybody. If you do it right today, we say you are right. If you do it wrong tomorrow, we will still come back and say, guy, you are totally wrong. As for the case between Very Dark Man and the Falanas, he's totally wrong.